Wisconsin in the building, Oklahoma, Arizona, Ohio. Hey, hey. Spilling gas all on the track. Spilling gas all on the track.
All on the track, man. Watch it.
Oh man. Man, get away from my probation officer mama, man. I use Streamlabs OBS. I don't like it no more either. Station in the building. Full pass. Pass, straight motor, all straight motor, full pass. Okay, okay. Hey man, if I got any newcomers in here, go on, hit that follow button, man. It ain't illegal. It ain't illegal, y'all. Okay, here we go. There go the drum I needed.
You want to get something not running all right there, you want to get that, keep your chest out. I'm going to sink your motherfucking shit. Scared motherfucker. You let me look for something, I'm going to give y'all something. Get your goddamn, his car run good enough to run tight car, they run damn not the same thing. But he won't get his ass up to my car, it ain't doing nothing right now. You know, I'm trying to figure it out. I run a motherfucker when it ain't running. I just let me shake, let me see. Get your motherfucking ass up. Get your ass up. Yeah. Jump on him, ain't it, man?
So what's the race?
We're trying to get a shootout, ain't you?
You want something soft, man?
If I want something soft, I'd try to race it. We've been keeping it gangster, and now you want to come fucking with us?
Because you can't got a fly in your face.
We talked and we said, you said, you said, if you run a good, you'll run. I ain't can't fuck with you. Now you going with the bars out.
We talking about Tiger. We talking about me. I said I can't beat you. Now we talking about Tiger.
And I said I can't fuck with
Kill him. Okay.
All right, there we go.
We through with it.
Yeah, there we go.
We through with it.
Yo, so what's up, man?
We through with it. We already said it. If you turn around, goddamn it, you turn around, goddamn it, and catch a nigga's car running, and you gonna start kick a nigga in the neck.
Oh, shit.
If it run right outside you, but it ain't, you know.
I ain't saying it. Why you steady explaining? I ain't saying
I'm
that.
so upset. Wait a minute.
Why don't be upset at me?
Yeah, don't be upset at me.
I'm just so goddamn. Hold on. I'm so upset You
Hey, no, go talk to your woman. You upset? Go talk to her.
Look, I ain't got to talk to her. I ain't got to talk to you, nigga. Say, I'm talk to you, nigga.
You want a hug? You want a hug? You need a hug? Is that what you need, a hug?
Yeah, because I'm fucked up. I'm fucked up because I be seeing these niggas all the time, man. If a motherfucker run anywhere close to them,
They don't want to race.
but if a motherfucker fall it off,
They own it.
like flies on shit, like flies on shit. But I give y'all a little money in the motherfucker. Wait, just make the race right. I'm telling you, the car ain't running, so
Yeah.
make the race right. We'll try your motherfucking ass. I can't beat you. I can't beat youngsters. But y'all niggas say, oh, come on. Oh, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that.
Yeah.
Do a motherfucking thing, man.
He's talking.
All that. Shit. Well, no, Tiger car too fast. Tiger car ain't made no full pass yet. Now, how the fuck you know it's too fast? And it ain't never made a full pass. Every time you see it, don't it blow the tire, raise the car up, do something fucked up every time. So they made no pass. They don't want that car. Tiger car's doing this.
Yeah. He got that button on there, man.
Hey, he's spooking the motherfucker.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
gonna go put a big pipe on my car.
He said, I'm gonna go put a big pipe on my car. Say, man. We got Sneaky 010 in the building, y'all. Jaw 1982. Look out, man. Where you from, Jaw 1982? And Sneaky 010. He must have got away with a whole bunch of stealing. Man, we got OG Player. Trip out, y'all, for all my 140 people. Stay tuned. We got OG Player in the building. Somebody must told him he been a player since the Himalaya. He must got some game. Y'all think OG Player got some game? Where you from, OG?